Welcome to our mess. Today we're going to be demoing a walnut sandblaster. You could put sand in this, or we got walnuts that it came with. I'd like to thank VEVOR for sending this to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are our own.
This comes packaged really nicely to protect it during shipping. I was slightly concerned that we were missing parts, but they are in this area here. So you have your air hose and your nozzle inside the unit. It comes with 3 different lengths of extender rods for the sandblasting gun nozzle. It does come with 4 casters. We're going to put these on first. And it comes with 2 big compressed vacuum sealed bags of walnut shells, as well as almost probably every single attachment that you can possibly imagine. So it is universal for any vehicle. They even give you a set of goggles, a pair of gloves, and a 4-piece oil seal hook set. We're going to go ahead and connect this piece to the bottom here and tighten down the hose clamp. We're going to go ahead and screw the short one of these onto the nozzle. And this piece goes in right here and then locks into place. We're going to go ahead and insert that into there till we hear a click. We've removed these 2 pieces from the inside, and now we're going to pour in a bag of sand, or a bag of walnut shells. Next, we put the screen back in and then the filter bag. So now we should be set up and ready to go once we hook up the air compressor.
Looks good, standard stuff.
Now we're going to recycle the walnut shells by putting in the adapter onto the hose and then putting the nozzle through the adapter. And then when you turn this on, it will vacuum the sand and everything that you're blasting.
Let's get blasted.
Because we're using this as a regular sandblaster and not in the engine, most of the shells avoided the vacuum. So we're going to take it off for the rest of the demo.
One rusted piece of metal at a time. Let's restore this screw to its former glory. After is fun.
That's awesome.
Fits in your hand good, and it's got a flow switch here for your walnut shells. Completely off. Full open.
So that is the one that was just sandblasted. And that is one that wasn't sandblasted. You can see the difference.
Smooth, rough. This is why the vacuum is a good idea. Overall, the machine does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a great little setup for a mobile idea. Our air compressor did not cooperate with this system, but let's suck some of the walnut shells up. It's got a filter in there, so if I get a couple of leaves in there, we can siphon those out.
We have one of those very small, ultra quiet air compressors, so it didn't have enough PSI to run this properly.
Technically, 100%, it can also double as a shop vac. Not that heavy. It does have wheels also. You can roll around your shop wherever you need to take it. At first glance, the latches seem a little goofy, but if you need to move it, they do what they have to do. It's designed for engine intake valve cleaning. So when we get to the part of this project here, we've got that covered.